We are at South Waco Elementary School, where they house the P-TECH program called the Future Educators Academy. We have 47 students in our program. They come from both University High School and Waco High School. The purpose of this program is for students to be able to prepare for a future career in education. The classes that they take at P-TECH are their academic courses.
In this environment, we have teachers that are dedicated to small groups, so like my grades have drastically increased, and I'm doing better in school.
What I like about this program is that you can go and play with the kids, have fun with them, and then the teachers, they help you with your work.
My younger kids, they love the P-TECH students coming in. They love, even when they see them in the hallway, when they get off the bus, if we're going to specials or we're going to lunch, they're like, oh, there's my friend, there's my friend. So they're really excited to see the students come in and work with them.
I do as the teacher instructs me and help them count with the iPads, help them build something with the iPads.
Having the P-TECH students that speak Spanish is a big help.
In the 8th grade, all students get to choose one of their pathways determining their 4-year plan. These students have chosen to take Principles of Education and Training, which determines them to then be part of the P-TECH program. Because of this program and being housed on an elementary campus, we get the opportunity to start working with those students right away.
When I walk in there, they be happy to see me, and they like when I'm in there working with them. It makes me happy. I like enjoying my time with them, you know? If I wasn't in P-TECH, I wouldn't know where to start. I wouldn't know how to do anything. I wouldn't know how to talk to the kids. All
the students here at the P-TECH, they have a plan of being an educator in the future. This is a fast-track program to get them towards their bachelor's degree 2 years after high school.
This is an excellent program for Waco ISD to have.
My plan is to get my bachelor's degree in teaching.
We want these students to go off, to graduate high school, to go off to college, and then return right back here to Waco ISD and start their career here.